Governor Greg Abbott and Arizona's governor are both sending migrants who have requested asylum in the U.S. to Washington, D.C. and New York. The programs cost those states millions of dollars, but the governors both say it's necessary to relieve the strain on cities on the Mexico border. Critics say busing people out is a political stunt. Natalie Brand explains.
Dozens of migrants arrived in Washington, D.C. after a more than 1,700-mile bus trip from Del Rio, Texas. Volunteers greeted them with breakfast at a nearby shelter. This man says he came from Venezuela and says many people have been harmed by the government. They've been targeted. Texas Governor Greg Abbott started what he calls Operation Lone Star in April. He says it's in response to President Biden's immigration policies and is necessary to relieve the burden on border cities.
They cannot handle the overwhelming number of illegal immigrants coming across the border.
Texas says it sent more than 6,500 asylum seekers out of state. The migrants have already been processed and released by the Department of Homeland Security. While most have arrived into Washington, D.C., starting this week, buses headed to New York City.
This is a political stunt by Governor Abbott. He's unfortunately using human beings as political pawns.
New York says it's opened 11 emergency shelters.
I'm Muriel Bowser.
D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser has said her city is at a tipping point and requested aid from the D.C. National Guard to help with logistical support. That request was rejected by the administration. Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Capitol Hill.